So here's how you find your videos. So first thing you need to do is to sign into YouTube. So I'm going to click in and sign into my account, and then click on my channel. Or maybe YouTube Beta Studio is probably better. Click on YouTube Beta Studio, and then click on videos, and here are all the videos. And you can probably use a filter as well here. I just want to look at visibility, and I only want to look at unlisted videos, and apply. There you go, these are my unlisted videos. And if I then go back and remove the filter, I can see all the videos. Obviously you can go in and have a look at the apply other filters as well. So you can look at description, visibility, and views. So let's look at my views as the I'd like to know my most views videos, but I'm just gonna put 100 because my videos are not that great. They don't Not many people watch it. There you go. So here's my list, and thank you for watching. If this video is useful, please give me a like. Thank you.